Hats off to folks who start way in advance to plan a Valentine's Day spectacular for their loved ones. I started at around noon on Valentine's Day, so doing my DIY Valentine's doodads here, painted some hearts on some paper, and tried to paint better hearts on other paper, and then I got a card working for the dear sweet better half, and then here for my daughter I took a painting from yesterday and I cut it up to make a little flag card. And here, finishing up the decorations, kept on. Well, anyway, there's the three main girls in my life here, my two daughters and my darling wife, and then they did some decoration in the back door, and so I started doing these special letters, one for each of the girls, and then that's what I ended up with. Hopefully they'll be a good Valentine's for these loved ones.